Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to translate any website on Safari. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Now, navigate to any website you want to translate. I'll visit Wikipedia as an example by typing it in the search bar and tapping Go. Once the website loads completely, look at the top left corner of the search bar. An icon will be displayed. Tap on it. A menu will appear at the bottom of your screen with several options. Look for the option that says Translate Website. You'll notice it shows a language it can translate to. Tap on your desired language, like I will tap on French. Safari will now translate the entire web page. All the text, headings, and content on the page are now displayed in French. You can now browse the website in your selected language. It's that simple. This feature makes it easy to read and understand websites in different languages without leaving Safari. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.